In this video, I will show you how to install the Transformer Connect set. The set consists of 2 transformers, distribution poles and wired spools, 4 service masts, and 4 electric meters. So with one package, you can connect 4 buildings. Today I'm installing half the set to connect 2 buildings. Select a single crossbar that works the best for you and the 2 buildings you want to connect. Unspool the wire to make sure you have enough distance between the crossbar and each building. Now I need a spot for the distribution pole. Drill a hole, glue it down, let it set. To glue the transformer to the pole, first I'm going to twist it a little so the 2 wires make one. Glue just below the single crossbar wires and let set. Glue the wires coming out of the transformer to the insulators for extra realism, or cut them off. To finalize the connection, connect your wire to the service mast. Most of our built-in-ready structures already have electric meters with service masts. If not, glue the meter and the mast from the set to your building. They're commonly placed on the back of the building next to a corner. Now adjust the wire tension to your liking. Glue to the top of the mast, let set, and cut the excess wire off. Repeat these steps to install the second transformer and connect 2 more buildings to your utility system grid. Be sure to watch more utility system videos and visit woodlandscenics.com to learn more.